What's up, guys? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. We are back with another unboxing for the Apple AirPods 2 second generation. Now, I've owned the first generation. Honestly, no complaints. Well, maybe one complaint, and that's just a little bit more bass. And another thing I'm going to come back to in the video is Apple Care. So I'm going to make sure I don't finish the video without mentioning Apple Care because everybody should get it. So the new AirPods Pro came in. I'm hyped up. Honestly, the first one, the sound was good enough if you ask me. The clarity on them were phenomenal. The way it would separate the vocal from, the beat was just amazing. Transparency mode stunned me, blew me away. Active noise cancellation, that was phenomenal. Honestly, the AirPods are the first time I experienced active noise cancellation, and I had no complaints, man. I used it a ton of times. Transparency mode came in handy more times than I could even imagine. So all in all, I was just excited. So the new ones got announced, and at first I was like, should I get them or shouldn't I get them? And then I'm like, you know what? I wasn't gonna get them, and then I decided, you know what, man? The first ones blew me away, so the second ones must be good. So they finally came in the mail. I did a prior comparison to the Beats Fit Pro, if you guys are wondering. And if I gotta be completely honest, man, the Beats Fit Pro were good, but the Air little tip was hurting me. It was actually painful to wear them. So try them out. Honestly, it comes down to preference if you want them. Some people will enjoy them, some people won't enjoy them. But when it comes down to comfort, the AirPod Pro takes the cake. So what's new in the second generation? Improved active noise cancellation. They say it's 2 times better than the first pair. Transparency mode, now there's this adaptive transparency. So supposedly if you're outside walking around and say there's some construction going on and you hear a jackhammer, it'll take that noise and reduce it so it's not like damaging to the ears. And volume control. That's another thing. Finally, they put volume control on it. So I guess it's just a little swipe feature. We're gonna try it out. So without wasting any ado, man, let's get these AirPod Pros unboxed. These are brand new. Let's do this. You gotta love it. I love that little noise it makes, man. So, guys, I have a video on my channel where I compare real AirPod Pros, the first generation, to fake AirPods Pro. And honestly, the clone blew me away. Whoever's doing this stuff, these guys, it's like they got inside information. How good they are blew me away. So make sure you always buy Apple products from, like reputable sources. So I got mine from Amazon, and when I pair it and register it, you can add Apple Care to it, and we're gonna get to the Apple Care. I haven't forgot. So let's take it out of the box, and there it is, right there, the Apple AirPod Pro 2, man. I hope these are gonna be a treat to listen to. So let's see what else comes in the box. So you get the Apple USB-C to Lightning, cable, and I'm happy they actually provide a cable because the Beats Fit Pro didn't provide a cable. I was pretty disappointing. They do provide a cable, but it's one of those little tiny USB-C to USB-C. It's like this small. So yeah, and then the air pieces, the air tips, and now this time around they added a new size. That's the extra small. So I'm gonna try them out, even though I usually use the memory foam, and I'm not gonna the Apple ones are okay, but they fell out of my ear too many times. So I'm pretty sure with these ones, they're gonna fall out of my ear too. So I'm probably gonna be ordering the memory foam. It's called Master Foam off Amazon. Honestly, you don't need to order tips or hooks or anything. Just get the memory foam and they'll stay in your ear perfectly. In the gym, running, doing whatever. The memory foam works best. But I'm gonna give these extra small ones a try and see if they actually do anything. So you gotta watch out, Cooper. So let's put these over here. You gotta watch out, Cooper. Now let's get these out of the box. Got my cat there running around playing with stuff on the table. So let's get these out. go. And there they are. Now I got my iPad here. We're gonna listen to them. The design really hasn't changed at all. It's the same design as the first generation. They did change where the microphone is, so they just moved it to the top. So let me get this paired with my iPad. And there they are popping up on my iPad. Let me click connect. Connecting. There you go. Media control stuff. We can skip that. The battery's at 64%. The case is at 67%. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see how the sound quality actually is. Is it better than the first generation AirPods? You know what? Before we do that, before we test that out, I'm going to put the first generation in my ear, listen to a song briefly, see what the difference actually is. Is there actually a big difference, or is it just meh? So let's put the first generation in my ear. Got them in my ear. Let's play a song. So DJ Khaled, let's use this gospel, some Eminem. So the song starts off with some bass. Let's give it a second. It's okay. The bass is all right. It's not too heavy. Okay, now this is the part of the song. Let's hear this here. So they sound good. The original pairs are good. They're not bad at all. They sound phenomenal. Okay, let's pause that. Let's pause that. Now, let's check out the AirPod 2. Are they that much better than the originals? Let's do it right now, man. So, there you go. They come with the medium-sized tips on your ear. The design is a little different. Let's give these a try now. Let's rewind this. Let's make sure I got a nice seal. Okay, the bass is heavy. Seems a lot more fuller. Let's try out these volume controls. The volume controls works pretty good. So they're just as good as the first ones, but a little more clarity, a little more bass, more features, more control. They sound good, man. They sound good. The new ones sound phenomenal. They're not bad at all. So the case is basically the same weight as the original one. Now they also added MagSafe Apple charger now compatible. So let's take the Apple charger and see if it sticks to it. Nothing happened. Is it plugged in? Oh, silly me, man. It's not even plugged in. Give me a second. Let me plug this in. Okay, let's try that again now, shall we? There you go. it is compatible with the Apple Watch charger. That's good. I also got a Spigen case for it. So it is the lock fit case. I'm going to be making a separate video on this. So be on the lookout for that. So honestly, I'm going to hang out with these AirPod Pros. I'm going to listen to them for a couple of weeks, and then I'm going to make a follow-up video, let you guys know how they're holding up. Are they that much better than the original ones? Because I need some time to listen to it, man. Just listening to one song isn't enough. So I need some time to sit and actually hang out with these things. So other than that, man, thank you guys all for joining me. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications for when I drop a video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, man. Do you own the first generation? Have you upgraded? Is the upgrade worth it? Or what is it, man? I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, quick thing before I end the video. So I mentioned Apple Care. I want to stress to you guys, make sure you get Apple Care, okay? These things are bound to stop working, whether it's the bass, the mids, the treble, something will go wrong. Not maybe within the first 6 months, maybe not within the first year, but believe me, after the first year, they will stop operating how they're supposed to. So you want to make sure you get Apple Care. Now, I know it's annoying. You just paid for the product and you don't want to pay an extra, whatever it is, 40, 50 bucks for Apple Care. But trust me when I tell you guys, Apple Care will save your ass. My first pair of AirPod Pros, I didn't get Apple Care on them. I have Apple Care on every other product, and it always covers my ass. They replaced my phone twice, no questions asked. Once it was heating, once the camera was not operating, and it was free. They gave me a new phone. If I didn't have Apple Care, they would have charged me an arm and a leg. There's no point to even fix it. You might as well just get a new phone. So the Apple Care for these aren't that expensive. It's like 40 bucks for 2 years or something like that. Get them, because believe me, after the first year, you might not notice, but the bass will go down a bit. Stuff will stop working. You know what I mean? So you want to have that confidence to be able to go into the Apple store and just say, hey, give me a new pair. And if you have Apple Care, they can't argue with you. They're going to fix them or give you a new pair. Trust me, guys, Apple Care for Apple products, you want it, and I can't stress it enough. My first pair, I didn't have Apple Care. A month after my limited warranty expired, I went in there. Both buds were failing. They still worked, but they weren't as good as they were, how they were brand new. And they wouldn't do anything. The girl's like, why didn't you get Apple Care for me? You have Apple Care on every one of your other products except these. So it was almost 160 bucks for each bud to fix. You might as well just buy a new pair. So with my AirPod Pros 2, I put Apple Care right from the beginning. So in a year or so, because I know the bass is going to stop working or something's going to go wrong, I can just walk into the Apple store, tell them, hey, they're not working, and no questions asked. They're going to replace them and most likely give me a brand new pair, which has a new battery, new everything. So guys, make sure you add Apple Care. Thank you guys all for watching the video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Let me know what you guys think of the new AirPod Pros 2 2nd generation. Peace.